Today, we're unboxing the Kidsmate Montessori 7-in-1 Activity Cube, a fun and educational toy designed to keep little ones engaged while learning through play. Right out of the box, the cube looks colorful, sturdy, and perfectly sized for tiny hands. It comes packed with multiple activities that help babies explore, learn, and develop important skills. The cube features a bead maze, shape sorter, spinning gears, pull string sensory play, stacking activities, and more. Every side offers a new way for babies to play, discover, and stay entertained. As babies sort shapes, move beads, spin gears, and pull the sensory strings, they're naturally improving their fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, problem-solving abilities, and sensory development. What parents will love most is that it's completely screen-free. Instead of spending time on phones or tablets, babies can enjoy hands-on learning that encourages focus, creativity, and independent play. The Kidsmate Montessori 7-in-1 Activity Cube is made from durable, BPA-Free materials with smooth edges, making it safe for everyday play. It's an excellent learning toy for babies and toddlers aged 6 to 18 months. If you're looking for a fun, educational, and engaging gift for your little one, the Kidsmate Montessori 7-in-1 Activity Cube is a fantastic choice. Learning has never been this much fun with Kidsmate,